the Domofocus from Focus, a beautifully sculpted fireplace from their incredible collection. Got it working here as a wood fire. Glazed frontage, this is quite new. Those two windows open to gain access for refueling, and then pull two. They give a very clean burning, efficient, controlled burn environment, which is exactly what you need. It has an air control here, which you can open and close to regulate the flames as you wish, and it also rotates, so it can rotate up to 360 degrees. Very easy to do. Or we can put a restriction in that if it was to be protected against pointing at anything which might be a combustible zone, combustible surface. So the Domofocus, beauty.